Welcome to the Business Promote, your premier source for all things fashion-forward and trendy. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to reviewsindividual.com, your ultimate destination for authentic sneakers and stylish clothing. If you're a sneaker aficionado or a fashion enthusiast, you're in for a treat. At reviewsindividual.com, we pride ourselves on offering top-tier brands like Nike Air Jordan, Adidas, Dior, Balenciaga, Yeezy, and more. Get ready to elevate your wardrobe to the next level. Step into the world of reviewsindividual.com and discover an unparalleled selection of sneakers and clothing. From classic kicks to limited edition releases, we've got something for everyone. Explore our website and experience seamless navigation, making your shopping journey effortless and enjoyable. With just a few clicks, you can find the perfect pair of kicks or the trendiest outfit to express your unique style. It's time to show you the Air Jordan 4 Military Black unboxing video that was provided to me by the reviewsindividuals, who share a passion for style and authenticity. Hear from satisfied customers who have experienced our exceptional service and quality products firsthand. Whether you're looking for the latest sneaker drops or stylish apparel, reviewsindividual.com is your one-stop shop for all your fashion needs. Visit reviewsindividual.com today and explore our extensive collection of sneakers and clothing. Don't forget to check out our exclusive deals and special promotions available only to our loyal customers. Keep an eye out for upcoming releases and collaborations that you won't want to miss. Your fashion journey starts here. Thank you for joining us on this fashion adventure with the Business Promote and reviewsindividual.com. Be sure to click the link in the description box below to visit our website and start shopping. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your wardrobe with the hottest brands and trends. Stay stylish, stay authentic with reviewsindividual.com.